Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm going to be showing you guys the back garden. It's been a while. It has been a while doing a ton of work. I'm finally getting this done around the sand pit. And as well, I have so many projects. That is going on that I just kind of want to tidy up some things before I really get too crazy into the season. First of all, this back garden is like a jungle right now, and I'm so not used to that, but I'm going to go ahead and harvest. I don't even know why I grabbed this, because what I'm realizing is, here's my collards. I do need to weed my pathway. And these are my collard greens, all right? So they are starting to bolt. And I was thinking about keeping them down, but starting to see that they're starting to flower. So we're gonna harvest all of these collards. Now, some of these are Georgia collards, some of these are Morris collards. Here, I'm gonna harvest all of these greens. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have enough in my room in my basket here, so I might should have grabbed all four. And plus, if you guys have not noticed that the moths are out already, so I will be harvesting all of my greens. I'm just gonna snap them just like this. Pretty greens. So my plan is to basically just, hold on you guys, my hair. So I am in the middle of a retie. So I'm retying my hair. It's taking a little bit longer than I would like. Sometimes it takes me about sometimes it takes me a couple of days, you guys, to retie. So I'm sorry, you guys. Hold on. I'll get my hair kind of out of my way a little bit. All right. So I am in the middle of a retie, so it's just been a little bit hectic. So I have to swoop my hair a little bit out of my way, but I didn't want to disturb my parts. But I am going to go ahead and crack all of my greens. I should have just went ahead and grabbed all four of these baskets because this is going to be a lot to process. So when I process my greens, I wash them really good. And then once I finish washing them, I'm going to cook my greens, and then I will actually just go ahead and put them in a meal versus just blanching them. I prefer to just go ahead and wash them and then cook them into a meal and then freeze it versus just blanching it and then cooking it into a meal later. So I'd rather just have it already as a meal, and I could just already heat it up and just be done with it. So I'm going to harvest all of this. Now, if they were not bolting, then I would just go ahead. Hi, Ramon. So Ramon wants to speak, you guys. So what I was saying was, if it wasn't bolting, then you guys, I would just go ahead and leave them and just let them keep on growing. But since they're already starting to bolt, I'm going to go ahead and harvest all of it. That is one basket. Matter of fact, guys, I'm gonna go back and go ahead and get the other two baskets because I already know that that's just not going to be enough space for me to carry it all back. So I'm going to go grab the last two. You guys, all the fruit trees are coming back. My apple delish, my golden delish, and that's right there is my methley plum. Everything is looking really, really good. I'm really happy with it. I did go ahead and get some things started throughout the garden, and everything is looking really nice. I started setting up things and clearing things out. Let me grab these other two baskets here. Hi, Ramona. All right, and I want to show you guys something too. I basically went ahead and just added to the back garden. I was going to put the fence a certain way, and I decided to add to the back garden. And I'll show you what I did. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see. I have arch trellises. Yay! I have 3 of them here. And then as we go through, I have one more. And that is right here. So I have, yes, you guys, I have 3 this way and 1 on the other side. So all in all, 4. So since I've been back at work, I have been working really hard. So I have been super busy trying to get myself together, trying to do spring cleaning and everything like that. It's been work. So I've been busy getting some spring cleaning done and just trying to square things away. This is the best time to do it. I'm gonna leave this one as well for my girls. I'm gonna twist and pull. Twist and pull. The chickens, my chickens. All right. Push down, just like that, and crack. Push down and crack. They come right off, really easy. Twist, and out there it goes. It goes to the chickens. So this is the quickest way, to be honest with you. Let me show you really fast. So you could take both of your hands on each side of your collar and just slide down it and it'll all snap. So you'll just take both of your hands, just like this, just like that, and just snap. And you harvest your greens, just snap. All done. And you have your bundle of greens. Let me show you one more time. Just slide down and snap. And then you got your bundle. You got your bundle of greens. That's it. Quick way to harvest your collards. All right, you guys, we're about to head inside. I have another 300 more locks to retighten. So you guys, it's our collard green harvest. So at the end of this video, you got a chance to see my collard green harvest. It is okay. We did good. I think we did good. Right, so here is the collard green harvest. I show you the quickest way that you can harvest your collard greens and why you should harvest your collard greens. Okay, so when they are bolting, go ahead and harvest them unless you want to collect those seeds. Otherwise than that, go ahead and harvest your greens. We did great here. I think we did good. What you guys think? So I will wash them really good with a little bit of salt and vinegar. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually cook them, like I tell you guys, in a meal, and then I'm going to freeze them. Now I could jar them, but I prefer to go ahead and make a frozen meal. Okay, so but here we go, you guys, our collard greens. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you guys, remember that there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, you guys. I'll see you, beautiful people, in the next one. Bye-bye. Happy gardening. Happy gardening. Collard greens. Who doesn't like collard greens?